Hello, in this video we're going to talk about using the service only option within the scheduling website to obtain AV equipment and catering to rooms that we don't actually book. So this covers departmental conference rooms, break rooms, doctor's offices, administration offices, lobbies, any place that is not a conference room that is booked through this system. You can still ask for catering and AV services to be delivered to there if that is available for that facility. So in order to use service only, go to reservations and Oregon service only. This looks very similar to scheduling a conference room, but there are a few key differences. So let's pick a date and a time. Now, only buildings are available. You don't get the entire list, but this is where service-only options are available. So I'm going to pick St. Vincent's. And instead of having a list of rooms generated for you to pick from, you type in where you want the services to go to. So this will be the Nutrition Services Conference Room at St. Vincent's. Once you have all that information filled in, hit Get Services, type in the reservation information that you're used to, and you will have the service items available to you to choose from. In this case, the regional catering menu and the St. Vincent's AV services menu. So I need a computer projector and a laptop for this meeting. I also need a couple of pots of coffee to keep everybody awake because it's early in the morning. And you hit submit. So I have going to be delivered to the Nutrition Services Conference Room, which is not a conference room we book through Virtual EMS. We're just booking AV equipment and catering to go to that room. So a couple things to remember about these service only. Just because you can type in any location into any room name into the location doesn't mean you should. Don't try to use this to book conference rooms that are booked through this system, because this does not hold the room for you and doesn't even check to see if the room is available. So if you use service only to book an existing conference room in the system, you're not guaranteed to get it. And even if you get it first, you're not guaranteed to keep it. The other issue is people will book catering to existing reservations using service only because they don't know how to add catering to an existing reservation, or they may not have access to the reservation as it was initially created, so they need to add catering to that meeting. Go ahead and do that if that's your only option. You'll still get the catering. The problem being is if your meeting gets canceled and you remember to cancel the room hold, you may not remember to cancel the service-only catering that you put in. And catering will still make the food and you will still get charged for it. So it's always better to put AV services and catering on the actual meeting if you are booking a conference room scheduled by this system. For all other places, feel free to use this service-only option. So that's how you use service-only to get catering and AV equipment to non-conference room areas.